I think Dylan would be a great big spoon. Get your briskets ready.
Brisket. Yeah, I'm pretty good big spoon. What up? I'm DMT.
What up? This is Ali Got Cloud.
And we are gonna try to make our own DIY ampersand.
Yes, this time the folks over at Nira sponsored us with 5 of their top shelf jars of rosin. So we're gonna take a look at these and see how they're looking, smelling, tasting, and we're gonna make them sandy.
You can pick all of these up at Happy Clouds.
So we're making a DIY ampersand of the other ampersand that we tried.
On our last video, I was given a box of ampersand. What was it?
Garlic truffle.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, it was garlic truffle flavored, which I personally wasn't a huge fan of. This time we're gonna try to make it lemon mint flavored. So it's gonna taste like a lemon mint candy type of deal.
That's good. Smells like peach booze. So now we are going to empty out these 5 jars. Great scoop. Wow.
Now we're gonna decarb, hopefully around like 200 to 240. After about 30 minutes, we're gonna add our mixture, and in the meantime, we are going to use tapioca starch, coconut water powder, and specifically, they're using a different fat source than we are. We're using whole coconut oil. This is a DIY video about, how to make ampersand with the stuff around your house.
This is our take on ampersand.
They use like 8 and 10 MCT, which is just like highly refined. And it has a better absorption rate than ours does, but whenever I was testing this batch, about 5 minutes in, maybe less, it hit me, and it hit me like a truck.
I'm excited.
Yeah, it's pretty sick.
You can get a smell on this.
Waft it.
Whew. Delicious lemon though. Ooh, delicious mint.
Try to get me about maybe a little under 1/4 of a cup.
Is that cornstarch?
No, this is tapioca starch. Tapioca starch has an absorption rate for oil at about 70%, as opposed to cornstarch, which has a absorption rate for oil at about 15%, maybe less. Next, we're going to add a tablespoon of coconut water powder.
What? This is like electrolyte replacement?
Yeah, this is basically dehydrated electrolytes.
We're using things that I'm actually excited to put in my body as well. I think that's worth noting.
So I was gonna use tapioca maltodextrin. Even the guy that makes ampersand said that. And I guess I had to just see it for myself. But there's potentially some vitamins that reacted bad with me. So that's kind of what prompted me to be like, hey, what if I made my own DIY? So, I might avoid those issues. And already I'm really enjoying it.
There we go. Nice.
Alright, now it's time to add the flavoring, and we are literally just going to add 1 drop of each.
Really?
These are strong. Close, it's a million tiny little bubbles. Alright, dude, what do you think? What do you think? Seriously.
I think, in all honesty and truthfulness, it tastes really, really good. Mostly just tastes like flour, like a beautiful essence of cannabis, and a little bit of mint. Maybe we could have done like 2 drops of the lemon and the mint. If you don't mind the taste of hemp, then this is for you.
It smells like lemon and mint candy.
Melts right away. Feeling in your mouth, but then it goes away in like 2 seconds, and then it tastes like a little lemon balm or something. So
dude, this is sick.
I approve, and
perfect little guy. I'm not gonna take another one
ag.
because, like I said, the absorption rate is gonna be a little bit different. So these dabs might not hit immediately like the other ampersand.
I think it's like starting to.
As we were talking about it, it's like ramping up. Okay. So, I mean, even the ampersand last time made our tongues numb too. Yeah. Anyways, we were successful in creating a lymphatic delivered dab. And we don't necessarily know how bioavailable it is, like this stuff is. It's really hard to test that. But I can tell you that it definitely works.
Big shout out to the gentlemen over at Nira. They hooked it up with some of the best rosin we've had. And this stuff came out just as great. So thank you guys so much for that. Go ahead and like and comment your favorite emoji if you want to try some of this ampersand.
Favorite emoji. It's gonna be a bunch of horny ones.